baby. Is it time to go eat? Let's go eat. Come on. Okay, Carmen, get your cup. Get your cup. Oh, we got the wrong one. Get your other cup. Good girl. Where does it go? Where's the food? Food's in there? Food is in there. Have to put a drill on it because your nosy butt gets in here. Okay, where does it go? Good girl. Now show me with your paw. Now you showed me with your head. Now show me with your paw. Show me with your paw. Oh, you bought. Show me with your paw. Show me with your paw. Where does it go again? Show me with your paw. Oh, good girl. Now can you give me hugs? Oh, good girl. Have a seat. Oh, thank you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Where? Where does it go? Show me with your paw. Show me with your paw. Show me. Does it go in here? Does it go in here?